Hi guys, I'm Hitesh and today I'm here with this product which is Profit Video. You can say this is the product which is Profit Video, and what this product will do, this is actually Zoom alternative so that you can record some screens, cam recorders and video maker. Okay, this all features we will discuss. Okay, you have to decide you have to go ahead with this or not. Actually, I'm not recommending this one because in Zoom application you are already getting 40 minutes for free to use all these features, which is video maker, screen recorder, cam recorder, all these things you can do. If you want to above from 40 minutes, then you have to pay. Yes, obviously that is monthly basis. Here you have to pay one time only, but for 40 minutes it's already too much valuable because in 40 minutes you can make some videos, also you can make some recordings, cam recordings and all. Okay, so this is the product which is Profit Video. You can see this is product Profit Video. Now this is the inside member access area. Now I am in member access. These 5 options and features are available in front of you, which you can see on the screen. So now this is home. These 2 videos are available. Okay, so I'm not going to play this one. For example, if I play this one, so this is coming. Now if I play this, so this is coming, and you can see when you purchase this one, so this is maybe for 28 second or 28 minute whatever, and this is for 9 minute or 9 second whatever. Okay, now this is the main function, which is option number 2, which is feature, second feature. Now this I'm going to click on this and let's see what will come in front of you, and then we will decide what is going to happen with this or not. So just give it a time. Now it's done. So this is video, this is create video option. Now these are some options so that you can play around with this video by using this. So this is annotation, this is subtitles. It's not useful, you already know. This is add text so that you can add some text on your video. Okay, for example this. Okay, I am going to add. Here is the button. If I add this one, so okay, leave it. Actually, it's not working or not. It is working or not working, I don't know. So if you go with this, so you will get all these accessible things. These are some options which are not too much useful. You can just play around with this video by using these options. Now, for example, I'm going to show you this one. Okay, so if you want, you can see this is play button. This video is running. Okay, now if I'm going to choose this one, for example, I'm going to add some text. This is, I'm just going to add this one. So let's see it is working or not. Okay, so I'm clicked many times, but no worry, you can do this if you go ahead with this product. But this all functions you are already going to get for 40 minutes for free for 40 minutes in Zoom application. So I'm just leaving this option because already you can play around with these buttons in this video making options. Okay, these buttons only. Okay, so now I'm going to this screen recording option. So let's see what will happen. Now this is a screen. You can see I'm running my cursor. So I'm just going to start screen recording. Just click on this. Let's see what will come. So let me minimize this one. No options coming. I'm going to refresh. And now you can see it is working properly or not. So I'm done this option also. Okay, so again I'm going to share with this. Okay, again if you want I will try. I'm going to try. So let's see, this is share option. So share option is coming now. This is sharing our screen. Okay, if it share this, so my cursor you can see I'm moving it continuously, and this is a recording button you can see here. Okay, so let's see stop sharing, this is working properly or not, or it will store my file or not. So if I, okay, file name 123 triple H. Okay, so here you can see this is storing my file. So for example I open so that you can confirm this it is working or not. See, so it's good in this. Okay, it's good in this, but still you can choose according to your. Okay, I'm just closing this one. Now this is our main screen. Now this is, I am done with this. Now this is cam recorder, so I'm going with this option. You can record. You have to just click on OK, and then you have to, I think you need to allow option should be come here. Okay, no worry, if it is not coming, it will start directly recording. So okay, for example, and just you can just think over it. Only these three options are coming. I'm not going much deeper with this. Okay, because these three options you are already getting in Zoom application for 40 minutes free. This is support training. What is inside the training, I will show you. Okay, so this is complete feature of this profit video. This all features are you are going to get. Now this is, I think, training. So this is FAQs, two FAQs training. There is nothing in inside the training, but no worry, this product is not launched yet. So when it will be done, you will get training inside here. Okay, so no worry about that. But you have to compare by your own mind. Okay, you should go ahead with this, because in Zoom, which is alternative of it, okay, where you nothing to pay, where you don't have to pay, okay, for 40 minutes. If you go above than that, then you have to pay, and all these features you are already going to get in that. Also here you have to pay one time payment. Okay, and these options you are going to get. So decide, decision is yours. Okay, and later you can go ahead with this. So I'm not going to promote this one right now, so you can decide by your own. I'm not recommending this also, because 40 minutes is far enough, okay, to done your work. Okay, so we will meet later with new good tool if it will be there. Okay, till then, bye.